There's the good boy. And we also have, it's been a while, we got Spud up there. Hi, Spud. Hanging out all winter long doing Spud things. It's good to see you, Spud. It's good to see you. Well, you see, I'm kind of losing my snow to stand on here. No, kinda. I really am. But I wanted to show here. We peek up over this fence here. You see that crane they've been building there. I'm sure it has a special name that I do not know. But they put most of the, I'm going to call the boom, up yesterday. And the counterweight, which I'm also going to call the counterweight. But, well, yeah, so they're obviously fixing to lift, well, a lot right there, you know? A whole lot. And we have, if you can see, we got some water on top of the ice there in the Maclock approach. And this barge has been here all winter, has shifted. They're working on the, I believe the control arm where it attaches. Or I think that's what they've been working on this winter. But they shifted over yesterday because they've been kind of sticking out past the end of the lock all winter. And now they're there. So it's still all solid ice, just with some melt on top. So I'm bringing it right back. I got one more thing to talk about before I wrap this up. Well, hello. Happy Friday, the 14th of March, 2025. I wanted to come just for a little bit quieter. It's really loud recording on the edge of the wet road there. But I wanted to just bring up two things. One is the locks. It's official. The locks are opening a week from today. In fact, 8 a.m. on Friday, the 21st of March is when the lock will be open for the first commercial ship of the year. So now the question and the game begins. Who's going to be the first one? Who's going to be the first one? And there's always speculation, but never really know until you start seeing them leave their layup spots. But so I have my own guess, but we'll just see how that goes. I will give my guess in a later video. Because a week out, I mean, who knows? Who knows? So it's 8 a.m. on Friday the 21st, and just right when I start work. But I am going to try my very best to be down there, whether I'm in the lock park or above the lock. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. I'm going to try my very best to be there. And I'm also probably going to try live streaming. I'll have to figure out some place to attach my GoPro though, because I'm going to want to use that camera right there for recording and taking pictures. And so I'll need some hands-free way for the GoPro, whether it's on my head or what, I don't know. I almost need to stick it on my shoulder. Have you right here like a parrot. I have no way to do that. But yeah. So anyway, there's that exciting news. And the other bit of exciting news is, maybe you can see in the background, I'm here at the West Pier, and our parking lot's cleared. Well, 99% cleared. So they did that the other day. So that just can only mean they're going to be opening. I mean, I don't know if they're going to open with the opening of the lock. Usually they don't, but we can hope, right? It means we're just one bit closer to, sorry, I was looking at a dog over there. One little step closer to Mushroom Swiss burger. So definitely looking forward to that. So Here we go. I just wanted to share those two things. I'm excited about both of those. And yeah, I will have another video before the lock opens, I guess, with my firm plans and probably my guess as to who the first ship will be. So I want to get this out really quick and get you guys updated. And yeah, Argo and I, who's in the truck right there, we'll be back. We definitely will be back.